Hello everyone! Let's again unlock tactical ideas and tactical patterns. Today we will climb up from 1800 in puzzles on chess.com and I will unlock you all tactical ideas. Let's go just immediately. We are playing white in this position. It's an endgame and black's idea is to go g1 queen. Never forget about your opponent, it's very important. So let's try to block it up. Let's try to sacrifice our rook and we have a pawn that will easily come to the queen. Okay, we can move forward because we did this. The knight is hanging. Why I can't take the knight? Can I do this? I hope so. So now, can I do rook d1 to play rook d8? But queen g5 check, unfortunately. So we need to think about rook takes g4 because it will attack the rook. So let's try it up. It's interesting. Is it works or not? It works. And now we can just capture the queen. Winning. Okay, let's go up. It's starting to be interesting. So what do we have? The king of black is pretty naked. I really want to take him. And as well, the typical pattern, the queen is in a dangerous position. Can I try to play for the trapping this queen? Rook h1, and the next move is rook g1. The queen is trapped, and we are winning, so let's move it up. The next one puzzle. Oh, we already on the 1900. Very good, very good. Got it. So we can go to the next one. Okay, next puzzle. Let's do it up. So now what can we see is the very typical idea that I'm calling tension between the pieces. You see that the rook is on the same line with the rook, and this rook is unprotected. And the only one guy who is distracting us to take the rook is the bishop on e5. So we can do something with him. And can we just play bishop h2 check? And now the king is also in a bad position. So can I just do queen a6? It's a tricky diagonal move because I want to take under attack everything. Be patient to these moves. Rook a2, queen a2, and queen takes b7. Okay, I need to save the king. And that's it. That's winning. Okay, we can move it up. I see the king and the queen on the same diagonal. Can it help us somehow? I think it should help. So I want to unlock my queen and to take here on e3. And now I have a domination of the pieces, I suppose, after just bishop e4 to protect the rook and to attack g2. So can it be possible? Oh, sacrificing the queen. Bishop takes b7. Winning. We are climbing up, climbing up. Okay, rook takes g1. This position looks like winner takes it all, and we need to checkmate in one. Yeah, sometimes everything is very easy. So we can climb it up. Knight goes to d5, the last move. Okay, so h6 is hanging, c3 is protected. If I will go just directly bishop takes h6, is it real so easy? And takes on c3? Yeah, you need to just take a look over the position. And that's it. King e2. Oh, tricky. They want to make a queen. What can we do? So rook goes a2 check, rook e4 check, and rook e8, right? I can block the queen. So I think that's the easiest. Rook e4, rook e8, and takes. Yeah, so I thought it would be more tricky. Okay, so king goes g8. We are playing for white. Something like checkmate, because the king is going to the corner. So first of all, I definitely need to press him to the corner. And then I have checkmate ideas like that, I think, right? Should it work? It should work because it's no rook c6 check. I will just capture. So rook goes f7. Okay, I will capture. Yeah, winning. Okay, we are going up. Queen takes b7. We are out of material, but we have a passing pawn. Very important in chess. Let's go forward. Yeah, if it was queen before, I can just play d2, d1 queen. So now he wants to attack my rook, but my pawn need to be supported by the rook. So that's why I'm sacrificing the knight still with the same idea of d2 and d1 queen before he blocked me. Yeah, in this position with extra rook, I will win. Rook a1, rook a5, and that's it. Okay, already we are more than 200. That's good, that's good, that's good. So, white has some ideas. But I can do this with the check, right? And then take on f3, and then check. King h8, takes. Does it work so simple? Oh, he even didn't take on f3, because after that, he supposes that it's so simple. No, I can take now. Trade the queens, trade the bishops. Yeah, winning. Extra rook is on the building. So let's go here. King e2. Okay. Something serious should happen here. queen d1. Yeah, see that the pieces are on the same line. Queen d1, king e3, queen e1, right? Bishop e2 to block it, and queen g1 winning, right? Oh my god. Mistakes are happens. I can just checkmate in one. Sometimes everybody can do a mistake. Yeah, I was overthinking about this. Okay. I'm always expecting something harder, but that is so soft here just. Okay, so now they want to take on e3, but can I go king e3? Knight c4, king f2, knight b2, king e2. The knight is almost trapped, and it's wishing me a winning in game, right? So should I try? I should. Here, I need to go back. Yeah, saving extra bishop. Okay, we corrected. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. The pawns are there. I need to take in a position, right? It's 100% right. And king g3. Just to kick him out, and the passing pawn is coming up. Yeah, opposition rule in chess endgames. You can see my tutorial to the endgames on the channel. Okay, let's go up. Rook takes g6. Oh, what a perfect checkmate idea. King g3 and rook e1. Yeah, that's a checkmate. Awesome, really awesome. Okay, okay. So automatically check, check, and king d7, e8, queen. Yeah, very easy. So the checks, takes, and the attacks. All the time we are searching for that. Calculations. I have the video about this on my YouTube channel. Don't skip it up. It's very, very important one. Okay, next position. I think I can do the forced checkmate. The combination I will show you is pretty typical. It's basically this rook is overloaded. She needs to protect here and protect here. So that's why I can catch the rook on this overloading. Check. Important intermediate move, check, and checkmate finally. Typical tactical trick. Learn it. Don't forget about it. Okay, queen d5 check. Under attack. Under attack. What can we do? Queen goes c4. Rook goes e3. c3, queen d1, king a3. Does it works or not? I can do rook a3, knight c3. Okay, let's try. Go just back. Yeah, saving extra knight. Then he will join the game. Absolutely winning. Oh, 2100 is here. Oh, that's also very typical. Again, tension between the pieces. Here, between the bishops. That is unprotected. And that's why the pawn is distracting us. And let's go up. And let's do an intermediate move. And then we have an extra piece. Winning absolutely. Okay, so now we were correct. When the king in such position where he can't move at all, I'm thinking how to do the checkmate. Something like that, right? Should works. I need to take, and rook e4 next move. Yeah, that's winning absolutely. What's a weird position, how the king got to the square. Okay, so check, king d7. Check is anyway should be played, right? If we can take the rook, why no? The queen is very dangerous. He wants to do the checkmate for us with the queen. So we need to do something. And the fork tactics helps you. Remember about the fork tactics in the previous video, right? So can I do rook d8 and check here? And that was a fork. And now just take the queen. And that's winning absolutely, yeah. So we are moving up. Okay, we need to assess the pawn in game. Takes, king d5, opposition here. I think it's winning, no? Can I just join? Can I just take? Yeah. So that's winning. Okay, on d5 I will play e5 and that's winning. Okay, good job. Whoa, everything is hanging, but I can just take the rook because it's a pin and that's a checkmate. Interesting position. Where they're getting them. Oh. Line mate, check. King f, rook f3 and rook h3 mate. That was easy. Typical checkmate. I think it's even nothing to comment out here. Okay, so that is something that is more related to the real practical game. When we see that the construction, when the pieces defending each other, like here queen defending the knight, is not solid. So I can firstly trick the queen and now take it under the pin. So this is under the pin, bishop d6 back, and bishop takes a5, winning absolutely, yeah. 2200, we completed it. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on my new videos, and we will climb up in puzzles as well. See you soon.